Bench testing a Delco Rochester 4-mounting grommet wiper motor, serial number DE08232025, offered by TT Parts People. Run-up test. Test number 1, low speed run, then to park position. Test number 2, low speed to medium speed run, then to park position. Test number 3, low speed, medium speed, high speed run, then to park position. Test number 4, low speed run, wash, then to park position. Test number 5, low speed wash, medium speed wash, then to park position. And test number 6, low speed wash, medium speed wash, high speed wash, then to park position. Test number 1, low speed run, then to park position. Low speed and park. Test number 2, low speed run, then to medium speed run, and then to park position. Low speed, medium speed, back to low speed, and park. Test number 3, low speed run, medium speed run, high speed run, and then to park position. Low speed, medium speed, high speed, back to medium speed, low speed, and park. Test number 4, low speed run, wash, then to park. Low speed, wash, wash, and park. Test number 5, low speed wash, medium speed wash, then to park. Low speed, medium speed, low speed, and park. Test number 5, low speed wash, medium speed wash, high speed wash, then to park position. Low speed, medium speed, high speed, high speed wash, medium speed, low speed, and park.